Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica Shonovet, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back guys. So guys, today is another Jessie cooking series, okay? And I have a special guest with me. I'm going to introduce her soon, very soon. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, you know, all those juicy things you guys do for me. Yeah, don't forget to do that. So let me introduce my dearest sister, Wendy. Chef Wendy. Chef Wendy, please. Hello. My name is Wendy, CEO Wendy Cuisine. So we are here to make Abacha, African salad, and we're going to down it with some palm wine and stouts, aka Odeku. So you guys just relax and let's. So African salad, where is it from? Which state? Which I would say ethnic group? Mostly the Enugu people, alright. But it's an Igbo food, okay? Part of Igbo culture. Well, I think it's mostly the Enugu people that owns Abacha. Alright. So guys, we're going to show you guys the recipe, the ingredients you're going to be using for this food. So keep on watching. This is our recipe. This is the abacha, and it's supposed to be standing there. This is our abacha. We have to use hot water to make it soft and ready to prepare. And we're using crayfish. This is our special ingredients. This is utazi, our seasoning, our dry prawns, the pepper and the onions, and then we have the garden eggs, and we have the upaka. That is oil. So I'm using the palm oil, that's all. I'm gonna be at the back of the camera, all right, videoing my sister cooking this delicacy because me, I can't wait to try this. Okay, I think you've already prepared the fish already, right? Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the fish. So this is the fish, guys. Fish and pomo. Is there another name for pomo? She is trying to wash the abacha. With what are you using to wash the abacha, please? Okay. So it gets ready. So this abacha, what is it made of? Cassava. There's that way to make the cassava. Like, how do you get it dried? How do you prepare it? I think it's mostly you go to the cassava farm, the hour. Then you bring the cassava, slice the cassava, and you let it dry. Okay. When you let it dry, like there's different kind of grater for it. Like you let it slice it and let it dry. So first of all, you boil it, just remove the starch. Alright. Then when you remove the starch, you now let it dry. So when it's dried, then you can it's like drying is for preserving it. Okay. Then you can people now sell it, they don't want to sell. So when it's dried, you can then use it whenever you want to use. So you just by pouring hot water on it, leaving it for a while, because I'm supposed to close it, leave it for a while, and then it becomes a bit soft. Okay. For you to eat. Okay. So we want to fry the fish, right? Yeah. Okay. So guys, as she's frying the fish, I will be slicing the onions. We have a chunk of onions. I'll be slicing the onions as she's frying the fish. Guys, you want to slice this leaf. It's called utazi, which is good for abacha. We've already
sliced everything for the abacha, like I've gotten all the ingredients prepared for it. Yeah, so she's just slicing the last ingredient and she'll start the process of making this abacha. So the first thing she's adding here is the umao. I don't know what they call it in the Nigerian name. And now she's adding the palm oil. The English name of umao. I don't know the English name of umao. So is it potash? I think so. Then she's going to mix all those together, and she's adding her secret ingredient, which I don't know. I think is abacha spices, but I don't know. I think you can get that in the market. Then she's mixing those together, and you just have to mix it very well. So guys, she just added all the ingredients together and mix, and she'll just add everything together and mix it. So she just adding the pepper. She'll put all the ingredients she mentioned earlier. She's gonna mix everything together in this.
A bit of a taste. Really like alright. Moment of truth. So good. I can't wait to cook the rest of the food. So you can handle it very well. So what I will do next? Pepper is okay. We need to do the pepper pomo. Okay, so this is done. This is done, but still we're going to heat it a bit, then garnish it.
So guys, she's putting it on fire to make it hot a bit. Then she'll start to fry the pomo. I don't know whether if we call it cow tail or cow leg, but pomo with onion. She just fry it, like give it that little, maggi pepper, pepper pomo. Yes, that's what we're also going to have with this over. So what she's doing here, she's plating. Chef, they like to plate their food. So she's splitting the food to show you guys what if she's to sell or she's to you know, just decorating the food anyway. Me, my own was just that I just want to eat this food. Stop decorating this food, let me just eat it. But she said, no, I want to plate it, I want to snap it for the Instagram. So she had to plate the food.
I'm going to test the food. Testing it, come on. Everything. Guys, oh, I'm going there. Let us show you our kawan. I can do this in very well. I'll sit down and chop this in very well. So guys, this is our wine and our oil. So. Salute. There's nothing like home. Alright guys, so this is the end of my cooking series. I hope you enjoyed Chef Wendy's cooking. I hope you guys, let me know in the comment section if you guys want to see more of her in this series, so she can do so many other delicacies for you guys to see. So please do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn up the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So guys, to my next video, happy weekend, happy weekday, wherever you are.